Do you think you'll be able to replace the lock?
Yes. Okay, this is century safe, just like we see. And we drilled the lock today. We usually don't do it, but we usually open it picking it or from this side. But now with this lock, now they do have this new thing they installed. Before they didn't have it, and you could have from here, from this hole, you could have put the wire and put this solenoid down. So now it's a little bit different. So now when you enter this wire, you have to make sure when you're entering it like this, you have to avoid, you have to go over that thing right here. Once you go over that thing, then you can reach the solenoid. Otherwise, you cannot. Because they didn't have this thing before, now they have it. Okay.